welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Properstar, and today we are going to talk about this magnet sequence puzzle. We have already plugged it in. If you don't know how to do it, check out my hardware video where I cover everything about the controllers. In the beginning we have an output. For this puzzle, the players need to figure out the right order of placing the wand on the board. Both the wand and the board have magnets on them, so when the players touch the board in the correct order, the puzzle is solved. You can make your own order for your escape room and reset it as many times as you wish. You can also change the sounds and the release dates via software. If you don't know how to do it, check out my software video where I cover everything about it. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. You can find on our site custom builds, automations, mechanisms and equipment for your escape rooms, or place your custom order. We have our base in Greece, but we ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time.